Tired of being denied loans and facing high interest rates? A secured credit card can be your secret weapon to rebuilding or establishing credit. And in the next minute and a half, I'll show you exactly how. First, you'll open a secured credit card by providing a security deposit, usually equal to your credit limit. This deposit protects the issuer if you don't pay your bill. Next, and this is crucial, make timely payments every single month. Payment history is the biggest factor influencing your credit score, so even a small late payment can hurt you. Keep your credit utilization low. Ideally, aim to use less than 30% of your credit limit each month. For example, if your limit is $500, try to keep your balance below $150. As you consistently make on-time payments and manage your credit utilization, you should start seeing your credit score improve. This may take a few months, so be patient. The ultimate goal is to graduate to an unsecured credit card after demonstrating responsible credit behavior. Your issuer may offer to convert your secured card to an unsecured one and return your security deposit. Building good credit opens doors to better financial opportunities, like lower interest rates on loans, mortgages, and even car insurance. Start building your credit today and watch your financial future brighten. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips.